The largest roadblock for obesity is the stigma and bias that this is really just a person's fault. And if a person has obesity, they deserve their fate. Obesity is a multifactorial disorder where genetics, development, environment, and behavior all play a role. Unfortunately, obesity is a disease that you wear. It is probably one of the most complex problems that we have in all of medicine. And I think that's what makes it so challenging, because there's not one target and one solution. We still have so much to conquer. And at every level, my goal is to help change and shift this narrative, make sure that we're using respectful language and just treating people like they need to be treated. From an advocacy standpoint, I do think that legislation, both here in the United States and around the world, is starting to inch towards being inclusive of individuals with obesity. From a community or a faith-based community standpoint, we're starting to see people being included and treated with dignity and respect. But like I said, I still think we have very far to go. So I don't think we can just rest on our laurels and say, hey, we've achieved it. We still have so much to conquer. And so I'm always thinking about it, and I'm always thinking about ways that I can be part of the solution.